Let's see what you be. I gotta get them again. I got to get them again. Let me just tell you. This puppy right here. Let me make sure I'm reading this right. So, in today's video, we have the July Boxycharm for 2022. So, if you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the price, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is the base box. This is $28.99, and I'm looking at the thing now. No, it's $27.99. And oh, something just popped up. And it says you get 5 full-size beauty products worth up to $260 for $27.99. Now, it says worth up to, so not saying that you'll get that much, you know. I believe with Boxycharm sale, I don't have any accounts with Boxycharm anymore. This is gifted to me every month. I believe they charge $1.99 for a handling fee as well. Let me know down in the comments if I'm right or wrong, but I believe a few of you told me that Boxycharm is now charging $1.99 like Ipsy's doing, so let me know. But anyway, so this is almost $30. So let's open her up and see what we got. Okay, so when you open her up, when you see the red, then you know it's the base box. Okay, so, oh, this is a really pretty card. So the theme for July is Status 000. I don't know how you say that. On the back, tells you everything that's in the box, gives you a price, and gives you a little brief description about each product, which I like that. So here's a little sneak peek. Not too much, and I like to tease a little bit. Okay, actually, by just glancing at it, it doesn't look that bad. All right, so the first thing is this right here. Oh, it's dropped you. Is a brush set from Eloise. This is a luxury eyeshadow brush set. So you get 4 eyeshadow brushes in it. I'll take them out in a second. Let's just see how much this puppy is. Okay, this says it's $22. Wow. Okay, let's open her up. I don't know, what's wrong with me? I keep dropping stuff today. Okay, so that's what it looks like. These are the shapes. They feel like plasticky, you know, but they're like holographic. They are very pretty, though. They just, it says luxury eye brush. It just doesn't feel luxury, if that makes sense. But it all depends how it performs, you know. And I do like these because I have smaller eyes. So I like that these are a little bit smaller, you know. So you have like a little detail brush, which I like to go like when I do my darker colors. You have this as well. And I like these as well to do the same thing. And you have like a smaller one and then like a blending brush here, you know, that you would go in. All right, so I like it. And I'll never not getting brushes. Even though I have 15,322. I just have 4 more to my collection. Like, I love eyeshadow brushes. All right, so that's the first thing. Glad to get it. The next thing I've received before, and I really like this. This is from Kate Somerville. This is the goat milk. Can I just tell you, I got this before, and I absolutely love it. Especially if you have drier skin or you suffer from eczema or something like that. This works so good. All right, I know this is a bit expensive. How much is it? I forget. Ooh, I gotta get my money glasses for this. I know she was expensive, but I forgot just how expensive. This puppy is $76. I'm dropping the card. Oh my goodness. Here's the thing. This works amazing. The only thing is I just could not afford to keep getting this, you know, even though it works really, really good. I just couldn't afford it. Almost 80 bucks. All right, so that's what it looks like. I also have her, the goat milk cleanser, which I really like. And it's filled to the top, as you can see. Let me show you. So this is the consistency. So it's not like real thick, of course, you know, but I love it so much. This is like perfect for daytime, even nighttime for me. At nighttime, I like the thicker creams and stuff, but this, I know I keep saying it, but it really does work amazing. All right, so I'm really happy to get this. Look, it has a little smiley face on there. I guess so, for paying $80 for you. Okay. The next thing says from Dr. Lily Fan. This is a lash enhancer. And let's see what you be. I gotta get them again. I got to get them again. Let me just tell you. This puppy right here, let me make sure I'm reading this right, is $68. What in the world? I always say, like, for these, the lash enhancers, well, first of all, let me take this out of the box. All right, so that's what it looks like. Oh my God, you see, I have carpal tunnel, and it's really bad on my left hand, but it's ever since I woke up, I've been doing it. I almost dropped my coffee. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and you would put it like right where your eyelash starts, you know, right there. And it's supposed to help your eyelashes grow, you know. The only thing I say, if it works, you got to keep buying these, because once you stop, it doesn't work anymore. Do you know what I mean? So that's the only thing, but I'm definitely going to give it a go, because I notice as I'm aging, my lashes, I don't know if some are falling out or whatever, but they're not as full as they used to be, you know. This says, apply at night to help you get gorgeous lashes. With continuous use, grow longer and fuller lashes in 4 to 12 weeks. Yeah, so you got to keep using it, you know. So you got to keep paying that $70, you know. But if it works, this is something that I might consider repurchasing. You know what I mean? All right, 2 more things. And we have this. This lady on here is beautiful. It says, Beauty for Certain. I guess BFC. It says a whole lot of mascara. That's what it's called. This is $32. This is a new brand to Boxy. And it says, I put my mascara just to go on to the bodega. It's all I need to get bold look that makes it bang. This Beauty for Certain. And you guys know I am a hashtag natural lash type of girl, as I said, you know. So I use 3 different mascaras every day. You know what I'm saying? So I am still on the hunt for that perfect mascara. Would you look at this packaging? It is absolutely gorgeous, like the colors. Even this is really nice. All right, let's see what the wand looks like. Okay, so it's like those hourglass wands. I don't know why I always smell mascara. I hate the way mascara smells. And mascara smells like mascara. But I always do that. I don't know why. All right. I'm happy to get this as well. And last but not least, we have a palette. This says Phase 0. This is the Necessities Eyeshadow Palettes. And this is $40. Holy crap. It says these 8 universal matte shadows are incredibly buildable. They deliver smooth, highly blendable color designed to create a soft blended look. And this is a new launch. All right, so that's what it looks like on the back. And let's see. Ew, okay. All right, so let's take this off the mirror so we can see what the mirror looks like. There we go. Okay, the mirror is really nice. And these are the colors, like, I don't know. The only reason why I'm going to swatch it because I want to see what the formula is like, you know. Otherwise, I would definitely have put this in a giveaway because I don't reach for these colors too much. So here's just 5 colors. Let's just see what she looks like. All right, that's going in once. Let's see if she's buildable. Let's go with the darkest shade. Okay. So this is a darkest shade. I built this one up, went in here and went in here just to see. So they are buildable. It does exactly what it says, definitely. But you can basically only get about 1, maybe 2 looks out of this. But this is like an everyday wear. Like exactly what, if you just want to go put a little bit of eyeshadow on real quick, kind of like have a no makeup look. You know what I mean? So I'll definitely get some use out of it because the formula, just the way that it blends, but like builds up and how I feel it. The texture, I don't know how to explain it. It feels like good quality, but we shall see. All right, I got variation number 6. Yep, number 6. All right, so let me recap everything that I got in the box. So I have this eyeshadow palette. Then I got the mascara to go with it. We also got eyeshadow brushes to go with that. Love it. Then we have to help your lashes grow. So this is kind of like an all for your eye box, right? And then we have the goat milk. I think this is a really good box for Boxycharm. So if somebody said, would you pay $30 for this? I would say absolutely. I definitely would. Especially for, I know I keep talking about this, but I'm telling you, if you have not tried this, if you have a sensitive skin, you ought to try this. It's really, really good. And I'm always down to get mascara. You guys know that. And an eyeshadow palette. I know the colors are boring, but I can't wait to play with this formula, you know? So that's everything, guys. Please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Don't forget to comment. That helps out with engagement. I also have a second channel. It's called Just Dance World. And over there is more vlog style. So I do car vlogs. I do my walk and talks, stuff like that. So if you want to get to know me more on a personal level, I will leave the link down below. I'm going to start having Nala with me, my dog. So if you like dogs, give it a go and see if you like it. And that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. All right, not too bad this month, Boxycharm. I might have to eat my words, what I say about you.